Asleep amidst the trees, bats all a swaying in the breeze, but one soul lies anxious, wide awake, fearing all manner of ghouls, hags, and wraiths. For your dolly sleep has flown, don't dare let her tremble alone, for the witcher, heartless, cold, paid in coin of gold. He comes, he'll go, leave naught behind but heartache and woe. Birds are silent for the night, cows turned in as daylight dies. One soul lies anxious, wide